Girl Scouts win one more game. We're in it.
Good luck with that.
Now I'd like to yield the floor to Miss Eva Destruction.
In the Grand Derby tradition, as you know, the new poster girl is revealed by a member of another team. Sorry, widows.
Apple, that's just wrong.
Very cute. Very cute.
It's not a girl, okay? It's a guy.
What? Are both?
My dog's a boy.
Both of them are guys. They're fighting over a girl.
Make the face. Do it.
I'm gonna bite your foot off.
Congratulations, Ruthless. They smashed. It's a Maven Scout. I just want to congratulate you on your new
winning?
poster child.
Well, it's because Apple's a baby. But if I hear them growling, it's because I know like they don't like each other. But they're just messing around.
Not necessarily. My dog and another dog was smart.
No, but trust me, I wouldn't have my dog.
It looks like a piranha.
I know.
Like, they're fighting on there. Somebody hit the boat.
Oh no, this is too funny.
How's your speech
Were you there when me or Alyssa were fighting?
No, I watched it on video though.
It was funny, huh? She got me because she stepped on my ankle.
I tripped at work. Are you okay? It's a bruise. It looks like it's fine.
It's like trying to bite each other's balls.
They're men. You know how men wrestle, you know?
Yeah. Girls, when they fight, they usually
Use the claws.
no, they usually go for the shirt.
He fucks you up, think I'll be laughing.
This is the last game before the championship. The winner today goes on to the big game.
Go easy on him, he's a baby.
Wait.
And the Scouts score.
Oh, hey, guess what? I could beat up Haley's boyfriend. No, he's not gonna hit you.
Well, this game.
Yeah, get it closer up. Ooh, get closer up. Get closer in the action. Okay, where did they get stopped?
Game on November 12th.
They're like, we're on camera. Let's show off some mightiness.
I gotta go find out.
Because we're awesome and mighty.
I was just leaving.
Oh, they're not doing it.